Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study AI programming. To begin your journey, start by mastering Python, a highly accessible language for AI. Focus on core programming concepts like data types, control flow, and functions. You'll also want to get comfortable with basic data structures such as lists and dictionaries. Setting up a good development environment like VS Code will make your learning process much smoother and more efficient from day one. Next, dive into the core concepts of artificial intelligence, starting with machine learning. Grasp the differences between supervised and unsupervised learning paradigms. You'll then want to explore powerful Python libraries such as NumPy for numerical operations and Pandas for data manipulation. Scikit-learn is excellent for implementing many machine learning algorithms. Finally, begin to understand the basics of neural networks and deep learning for more advanced AI applications. Practical application is crucial for solidifying your AI programming knowledge. Start by building small, manageable projects that allow you to apply what you've learned. Consider tasks like creating a simple image classifier or a basic sentiment analysis tool. Leverage readily available datasets to practice data cleaning and feature engineering. Engaging in collaborative projects can also significantly accelerate your learning and expose you to diverse problem-solving approaches. The field of AI is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is essential. Make it a habit to stay updated with the latest research and technological advancements. Enroll in online courses from platforms like Coursera or edX to expand your skill set. Reading industry blogs and academic papers will provide deeper insights. Finally, join online AI communities and forums. They offer invaluable opportunities for networking and sharing knowledge with fellow enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.